Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Aditya Mohite. I am a third year undergraduate student of IIT Kharagpur, and in this video we will talk about online classes versus the offline classes for IIT JEE. As you all know, the IIT JEE is one of the toughest entrance exam in India, and it also required lots of hard work, dedication, and most importantly proper guidance. So, however, the many students while preparing for the IIT JEE face a one problem, that is high cost of coaching classes and study material. But don't worry, in this video I am going to share some of the useful, affordable online courses for IIT JEE which will really help you. So stay tuned at the last and let's begin. So let's talk about the benefits of online classes. So number one, flexibility. So online courses offer the flexibility of studying at your own pace and convenience. Like you can access their study material and attend the coaching classes from any time, from anywhere, whether you are at home or whether you are at school or traveling. They also help you to manage your other commitments like school, college, or let's say you are having a hobby or someone is doing a part-time job. So you can manage it really well using this. Second, affordability. The online courses are much cheaper than the traditional coaching classes. They eliminate the need of the infrastructure such as a classroom, equipment, and the salary of the extra teachers. And this brings the lower fees for the students. Moreover, the online courses also offer the discounts and promotional offers which evenly reduces the cost to the very low price for the students. So third is quality. The online course material and the classes are of high quality and also prepared by the experienced educators. These educators are experienced experts in their respective field and also have a track record of success. Moreover, the study material is often updated regularly to keep up with the new trends and changes in IIT JEE. Fourth is interactive classes. The online coaching platforms offer the interactive classes to students to interact with the teachers and get their doubts resolved. The ease is achieved through the features like live chat, video conferencing, and through the discussion forums. This level of interaction allows the personalized attention to each student's queries and help them to understand the concept better. So the fifth is performance tracking. The online courses gives the feature like performance tracking like quizzes, tests, and assessments. This allows the student to identify the strength and their weaknesses and to work upon them. So moreover, the online courses provide the regular feedback to the students and which help them to improve his overall performance. He will do better. So let's talk about the offline coaching. So in offline coaching has been a traditional way for preparing for the competitive exams like IIT JEE, as it involves the attending the physical classes in the coaching institutes. All through the mode of the coaching has been very popular in the past, but it does have some limitations. Firstly, it is very expensive. The fees for the courses ranges from the 1 lakh to the 3 lakh and even more. Though moreover, the students have to spend a considerable amount in their transportation and accommodation. Second, the offline coaching can be very rigid, that in terms of timings and schedules. So students have to attend the classes in a specific time and may miss out on the important topic if they are absent on that day. On the other hand, the online coaching is much more flexible, affordable option. As I mentioned earlier, the online courses offer the more convenient studying at your own pace, convenience, and you can attend the classes anywhere at your own pace anytime. Additionally, the online coaching classes have the interactive classes that you can talk with the teacher as you go, like physical, but in the online mode. So which means that you can interact the teacher and get your doubt clear. So let's conclude this. In conclusion, if you are looking for the affordable and effective way to prepare for the IIT JEE, then the online courses are the great option, I will say. These courses are not only affordable but also offer the high quality coaching and study material, which is moreover you can compare with the offline one also. Moreover, you can study at your own pace and convenience. But I would like to give a disclaimer here that only if you are not able to afford the high fees of the offline coaching, then only go for the online coaching classes, because many students have comfort in studying in an offline mode. So if you are not able to pay the high fees of this institute, then only go for the online coaching classes, that I will suggest. So now you will tell me that Aditya, hey, you are saying that online coaching classes you can go for it if you can't afford the high prices of the offline coaching, but which online coaching should I prefer? So while researching for this video, I came across the many online platforms which are offering the good courses, quality courses, and I selected one of the which is Physics Walla. I think their courses are very affordable and giving a high quality outputs as well. So I contacted the team Physics Walla, and they gave me information of some of the awesome offers that they are providing. तो अभी चल रहा है विश्वास दिवस त्योहारों का सेलिब्रेशन, जिसमें 11 के स्टूडेंट के लिए अर्जुना जेई 2024 जिसका प्राइस था 4800, वो मिल रहा है इन 4199 के प्राइस में. तो इसमें आपको साथ में मिलेगा 10th बोर्ड बूस्टर 2023, अर्जुना 2.0 2024 एंड खजाना. 12th के स्टूडेंट्स के लिए फिजिक्स वाला लेके आए लक्ष्य जेई 2024 बैच जिसका प्राइस था 4800 रुपीज, वो भी मिल रहा है 4199 रुपीज में, जिसके साथ आपको मिल रहा है अर्जुना 1.0 2023, अर्जुना 2.0 2023, लक्ष्य जेई 2.0 2024, 12th बोर्ड बूस्टर 2024 और खजाना फ्री. बस यही नहीं, फिजिक्स वाला लेके आया है प्रयास ड्रॉपर जेई 2024 जिसका प्राइस था 4900 रुपीज, जो कि अभी आपको मिलेगा 4299 रुपीज में, और इसके साथ मिल रहा है 12th बोर्ड बूस्टर बैच 2023 प्रयास 2.0 2024 खजाना फ्री. सो ये सारे जो ऑफर्स थे वो 10th मार्च तक बस वैलिड है. इसके साथ साथ अगर आपके डाउट्स क्लियर नहीं हो रहे तो आपके डाउट्स क्लियर करने के लिए आप सारथी की हेल्प ले सकते हैं, जिसका 1 ईयर का सब्सक्रिप्शन का प्राइस शायद से अराउंड 5000 के अराउंड था, लेकिन अभी वो मिल रहा है 3800 के प्राइस में. सो इट्स अ विन विन सिचुएशन एंड अ गुड डील फॉर द स्टूडेंट्स who are looking for affordable online courses and who can't afford the high cost of offline coaching. Also ये जो सारे ऑफर्स मैंने बताए वो 10th of मार्च तक ही वैलिड है. सो तब तक आप एक काम कर लीजिए, डिस्क्रिप्शन में मैंने इस सब की लिंक दी है, आप उस पर जाके रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं. और यही नहीं, आई टॉक विद द फिजिक्स वाला टीम, सो we are giving a coupon code discount of ₹150. So you have to apply this coupon code while applying for the courses. So you will get ₹150 off on each every transaction. So description में link है, coupon code लगाओ. Happy learning, all the best.
Now, are you feeling right now? Hello guys, channel to our welcome. Hello channel, welcome to my Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Please always wear
face wash and use hand sanitizer because corona disease is a very dangerous city, and always keep social distinguish.
Romeo, save me!
Please like, share and subscribe my video, guys.